Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Not be smart thing they happen so. Lagos State politics in disarray as the Speaker of the House, Obasa, impeached. The reason for the impeachment will shock you because 2027 or 2026 2027 election in Lagos State is at hand, and team players, you want to call them team players, all the big boys, Tinubu boys, everyone is really playing. And don't forget that if you step on the feet of the ones that do not need to be stepped on, you may have a very, very serious slap released on your face. So this guy has been there for quite a while, and it's become a stronghold. And the powers that be, unanimously, just the way they removed, you remember the former governor of the state, Ambode, exactly. It's a unanimous vote that is being sent packing. They say, say no more, goodbye and bye. And that is exactly what is happening now as the tension arises. The guy say if they're not reinstate him, he go talk. He said when he go talk, so things go spoil. You don't understand the way they happen. So now serious matter. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Serious tension in Lagos political seats as Assembly Speaker Obasa impeached by the House. Lagos State Assembly Speaker Obasa has been impeached by the 32 members of the Lagos State House of Assembly unanimously, asking him to pack his bag and baggages and leave. This development comes amidst allegations of corruption and financial mismanagement against the speaker. According to the report, the embittered speaker was impeached for gross misconduct and abuse of office. Obasa has been accused of spending 17 billion on a gate of the assembly complex alone. 17 billion. They checked his record and they said he spent 17 billion on just the gate, which critics argue is excessively expensive and fraudulent. There have also been allegations of mishandling the constituency funds and projects and more. Many says it is not just about the money he has spent. He has spent more before and nothing has happened. This is about the elections that are fast approaching in Lagos State. He is eyeing the seat of the governor. However, Tinubu's son is being positioned to come in as the governor of Lagos State. Many more unraveling allegations are going to be released on Obasa, and politicians are asking that those who do not want to see themselves thrown under the bus should leave the matter alone. He's been impeached. The governor of the state and everyone says they are quite happy and contented with the proactive action of the assembly members who are taking drastic measures to ensure corruption does not continue again in Lagos State. Imagine a man do only one gate with 17 billion. Welcome to Nigeria. How come? Somebody was approving these funds, right? He does not approve it for himself. How come this is just coming to light? Well, it's coming to light now because it's eyeing the seat of the powers that be, and he's not having the support of those who decides who go on the seat. So when people come out to vote, and by the way, please, disclaimer, we are not saying do not vote. Your vote is extremely important, and we seriously hope that you vote, and we hope and we pray that our vote is recognized and, is appreciated and the right things are done. Please vote. When there is vote, go out and vote for the candidate of your choice. We saw it does make a difference. We saw what happened when Peter Obi won Lagos State. We saw what happened. We saw it, against Tinubu. Peter Obi won Lagos State. So this is why, and during the governorship election, the likes of Akinsoye Mosio, MC Olumo, they had to quickly rise up, telling Iyashukundi that if she will not vote for APC, she should not come out. That is to say, your vote does really have voice. So please go out and vote. But this is to tell you that they've already done a calculated effort, with regards to the next election in Lagos State, because rumors have it, okay, allegedly, like we will say in the media, Tinubu's son, they say, Sheikh Tinubu is ripe for the seat, and so they don't want some other persons. As the father has tasted presidency, the son should also taste governorship before further matters begin to unfold. So these are some of the things that are happening, and currently in Lagos State, there is the push to say, what, it is time for for those powers that could possibly withstand the president's son to leave the position. It should be now when you take position, now you take get power, take fight the fight. Okay, if you not call the position, what will happen? You have no power to fight the fight. So that is exactly what is happening now, as this man has been sent packing to say, what, thanks but no thanks, you have overstayed, you're welcome. So while many are looking at this issue and are wondering what the next lines of actions are, as we speak at the moment, the Lagos State Governor, House of Assembly member, has been impeached, as everyone begin to watch carefully and wonder, when, we will get the full report. The only allegation right now that is on our decks is that he spent 17 billion, okay, 17 billion, just for the gates of the assembly. 17 billion just for the gates of the assembly. So imagine what else have been spent and what it has been spent for. What else have been spent and what it has been spent for. Remember that your voice is important, and we cannot be quiet in the face of all that is happening. Every single person has got a part to play. Every one of us must do everything humanly speaking possible to ensure that these people do not continue on their track, because Nigeria must move forward. We must understand that some of these people, all they do is what they could possibly get, not because they really mean well for the people, they really mean well for Nigerians, or they want to do something worthwhile to bring about the real change that is needed in order to affect Nigeria to become a better place for not just one but for all. So you see, these are some of the things happening. Remember, you have a voice. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. Nigerians, we must move forward. A word, they say, is enough for the wise. Bye for now.